All right, well, if you partied on Fat Tuesday, but you want to keep the celebration going in a little more lighthearted, fun way, then we've got the perfect thing for you. We're going to continue the fun with the Mardi Gras craft that you can actually do with the little ones. And here to help us get there is master crafter and incredible woman and friend of Sack & Co, YouTube sensation Sophie Maletsky. And Sophie, you and I were chatting about the shoes because I personally had no idea, but you've got some background here.
Okay, so here's the thing. There are different crews. And a crew is a group that will like sponsor a parade. So there's multiple parades in Mardi Gras. You know, it isn't just one parade. When you think of Mardi Gras parades, it's just, there's multiples. Like there's one that's Zulu, there's one that's the Muses, and the Muses are all women. Now, what that technically gives you is something to glom onto for your giveaways. Because every parade has a giveaway. Some give away doubloons, some give away painted coconuts, but the Muses give away shoes because they're all women. And what it is you get these amazing shoes from the floats, and they hand them down instead of the beads that typically get thrown.
Show the one that like how you show us like how it was handed down.
Okay, so this one, this is my favorite, and I cannot take credit for this. My sister Frida is the one who does these, and they're absolutely amazing. Each one is a piece of art. Each one is completely different. There are no two shoes that are the same. And as you see, there's a little hook in the back there, a little ring, and then you add that to a necklace so that you can hand it down. Because imagine you're on a float.
You got to hand down this
you don't want to be dropping these on people's heads because some of these are very heavy.
You know, and I know we normally do crafts for parents with kids, and you can do this with your kiddos, but I can see a ton of adults be like, what? No, that's for me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, absolutely. I mean, and the thing about it, too, is that, I mean, making these, like, this is a great teenage project.
Absolutely.
And so my sister, just to give you some reference, she makes 200 of these for a client of ours every other year. And it takes her months.
Oh, I could see that.
And
well,
I'll give you the basic technique.
We don't have a month, but let's go ahead and start on at least something.
Right. So here's what you do. So basically, you go to thrift stores because you don't want the shoes to all be the same. You want them to be different. Every single one needs to be different. So this is a shoe that was purchased at, a thrift store. And then you have to do it in what Frida calls planes. And what she means by that is you're going to start by turning the shoe upside down, and usually we put these on like a bottle or something that's weighted, and you put glue all over here, and then just sprinkle it with glitter.
A lot of glitter.
Exactly, and then you let it dry. And so
you gotta do it in stages.
Exactly. It'll take about a week to get the glitter
just to do the glitter part.
Right, exactly.
Do you spray something on top of this too to keep the glitter on there?
You can do like a layer of Mod Podge. Yeah. That's sometimes what happens is that pulls the color down. You can also do one of those spray adhesives. Exactly. Exactly, like a clear gloss spray. And that'll lock it in. That's a lot of glitter. Right, because this is a lot of glitter. But what we do is we do it in stages and colors. So you're doing it over a bin, and you're keeping that glitter, and you can put it back into the mix over and over and over again.
Okay,
so then you would take the side, right, once the bottom's done, and you would do this plane, which would be here, 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 here. And as you can see, she's done like this great pattern by just following the flow of the shoe.
So you get your glitter base done.
Yep.
After very carefully glittering each plane. You even did the inside too, by the way.
Oh yeah, you got to do the inside.
Look at that multicolored on the inside.
So, and like in here, you can see
glitter haven.
There isn't an inside, but there is the
every inch of it's glittered.
You got to do the sole.
So now
and the
do you
heel
bling
and
it?
everything. So then you add whatever you want to add to it.
What'd you bring today?
And we brought all this stuff, so you choose what you like. And this is where you get to go. I know. This is where you get to go crazy with the hot glue gun.
All right. So I mean, I think I just like probably gem it up the front, right?
Sure.
And clearly this would take some time because you're going to want to bedazzle the bejesus out of something like this.
Exactly. And most shoes, like for Frida, what she ends up doing, it usually takes about, I would say about a week a shoe.
A week a shoe.
Yeah, and but she'll have multiples going at different times. You know what I mean? So she'll be doing
working on one, letting that part set, go to the other one, work on something else on that.
Exactly. So she'll be gluing the bottoms, and then she'll glue the sides, and then she designs each one according to the shoe, like whatever the shoe speaks to her and tells her. And I mean, she does funny things with ones. I mean,
well, I like the fruit in the one that
I got to show you some of these cuties.
So you bedazzle it, and then you eventually attach the lanyard, which I see you've kind of got like a little key ring back here.
The lanyards, and you just choose whichever one you want here, and then we just slip it on. So
I think the orange.
You like the orange one? Okay, great. So see, it has a little dog clip here. We call that a dog clip. And we just slide that onto the key ring.
And boom.
And then boom, you're done.
Cool. That is so incredible. Okay, so clearly this is going to be a work of art when it's completed,
Absolutely.
just like everything you see over
Can we show
here.
some? Do we have time?
Where can people go so they can make their own? But I want you to show that off as we're wrapping up.
Okay, so this is our Mardi Gras. This is the game theme. As you can see, these are from
insane.
Clue and stuff. But if they go to www.sophie-world.com, you'll be able to see some of the year's worth of work that Frida has done. She's got thousands of shoes.
That is
they're
incredible.
amazing.
Look, even Battleship.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Holy
There's
cow.
Battleship Jack, and these are all.
These
from
truly
Clue.
are a work of art. This is incredible. Sophie, thank you so much.
My
Check
pleasure.
her out, sophiesworld.com, as mentioned. YouTube sensation. Amazing. Everyone else, stick around. We got more to come. ABC 10 News update right after the break. That is amazing.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.